Hello and welcome back to another episode of Clash of Clans Ranked in Legends. I'm using the same army as I did last time. In fact, I'm recording this video just as I stopped recording the other video. So yeah, let's just get into the other 4 Legends attacks of the day that I have left. Okay, double Rage Base. I must say the bases have become more unique on some level. Like, what am I looking at? What is gracing my eyes? In this case, I don't think it's negative. It's looking interesting here. I should focus more on what I should be doing instead of on how the bases look. Yeah, I don't really see the... Ooh, I'm distracting myself, man. I didn't even focus on... Warden, can you just destroy that Super Wizard Tower, please? Please, Warden, before it kills my healers. Thank you. I guess I'm just going for like a quick, easy, simple fireball. I mean, I guess. Just this. Sure. Okay. I'll place down furnaces here to maybe start funneling a bit. Okay, that's fine. Perfect. Okay, where am I start doing the other part of the attack from? I mean, I guess I can just do that. I'm gonna recall the warden. And then support the warden. I'm gonna do this surgical now here. Almost forgot that I still have those E-dragons. Again, I'm not using my rage spells enough. Yeah, I kinda messed this up. No, it's a 1-star. I would love to not take a ice block spell with me, because so often I'm not even using it. Same here with the poison spell. This is so close. Oh no. At least we get, I think, the town hall, maybe? Damn tornado trap. Oh my gosh, this is so close. Okay, at least I get that. Oh my god, this is so close. Oh my god. Well. It's attacks like that last one that I live for, that I really like, honestly. I mean, obviously I would have liked the 3-star as well, but just it got so close. It was a time fail. Honestly, those are the kind of enjoyable attacks as far as I'm concerned. Also, I am still thinking what or if I should change something. I am still not happy with the Electro Dragon value I'm getting. Maybe I should just take 2 Electro Dragons instead. I mean, 3 Electro Dragons are taking up quite a lot of space, army space. Also, again, I wasn't using my rage spells. Yeah, but I'm gonna keep it like this because it's also not working too badly. So yeah. I mean, kind of central fireball would be nice. Again, I'm not seeing the Electro Dragon value. Maybe a bit later. Usually, I think you're supposed to do that in the beginning, according to the people that I saw this from, but I don't care about that. Place a furnace there, and then I have to save some furnaces. I can also use my Icebox spell more often for the fireball. I'm not using that often. Am I just fireballing the multi-type? Oh my god, no, don't die. No, oh, and I placed... no, 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 no. I placed down a totem spell when I wanted to place an ice block spell. That is unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. I guess they can just funnel here for the main push or something. Oh yeah, guys, go to the outside. That's perfect. I'm being ironic here, of course. Oh, I didn't want to make that invisible. That wasn't the goal. Okay, I just tried to get a 2-star. Oh no, no, I should have kept her alive. What am I doing? I'm just trying to get a 2-star here. Please take down the freaking... Oh, and the healers are... Oh. Why healers? Why? Oh, sorry, I saw the R word. What are you doing? Okay, just die already, so we can get this over with. I don't want to see this anymore. There you go. I think I can end this attack here. While I love attacks like the first one, I don't like attacks like that. I'd rather just not have my warden die prematurely and mess up the fireball and everything. Okay, I have a vague idea for what I want to do. I'm gonna do a surgical on this. I have no idea if it's going to work, but that's what I'm gonna see now. Okay, please don't kill my one guys. Oh, they almost got the town hall. Well, they do. Oh no 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 no! Oh my gosh, is there so much damage here? Where's the high damage defenses? I'm just seeing a few expos. Oh my gosh. I used an invisibility spell. That's not good. I'll just use another rage here. Bro, this is way more annoying than I thought. I thought the warden can just kind of chill on this angle here. Oh my gosh, and there's a multi-gear. I need to be careful not to mess this up. Well, or I'm just gonna do a, like, I don't know, what am I gonna fireball here? Oh no, I can't keep him alive here. Not really. Destroy... Oh... I think I'll have to ice block soon. Very soon, this is very close. I'm kind of edging the one here. I'm just gonna do this now, I guess. Oh my gosh, no. What am I doing? This is not a good fireball. But I would have needed more fireballs to get more good value. Ugh. Okay, and again, this attack is not going well. Well, I'm just gonna do this. I don't know. I just want to get the 2-star at least. I did not expect that right corner there to create so many problems. That was really a big surprise to me. I am really not... really didn't see that coming. I thought I can just focus on getting E-Dragon value or something. And, but yeah. I mean, hey, this attack is still getting a bit close. I mean, closer than I anticipated, than I thought. A lot closer, actually. I really didn't think this attack would be this close. Okay, the Fire Spitters are... The Fire Spitter has almost taken out my healers. That's insane. Is this a time fail? It almost looks like this is a time fail. I mean, there's still the multi-gear cannon. And the Archer Queen. And a multi-target Archer Tower. So there's still... And the multi-Inferno also taking out my furnaces. But I mean, the only really high defense here is the multi-gear plus the Archer Queen. What did I still have alive? My Warden, I think the Giant was still alive, the healers were still alive. And one hero, I think, was alive. I don't know if this would have been a time fail, but it was definitely close in general. Despite me messing up my fireball, that's interesting, yeah. Okay, let's get into the last attack. Didn't have one single 3-star today. Let's see if I can change that. Okay, what am I fireballing? Okay. Oh, I really expected them to take out that clan castle. I hope they still do. I'm ignoring the warden right now. Okay, they take out the clan castle. I'm happy with that. Gonna place down some furnaces here. Okay, I'm a bit afraid of that Royal Champion. Good, she's dead. Okay, I'm just fireballing. Okay, where are you going, Warden? Okay, yeah, go there, and then I'm doing this, and this, and this. I was a bit close. Don't die, please. Don't die. I think he's fine. Could have also landed on that multi-target Archer Tower, so I saw that. That was a bit close, but I only have 3 invisibility spells. Okay, what am I doing with the rest of my attack? I do have an idea, maybe. Okay, he took out that. That's good. So you start from here now. And we go in from here. Okay, let's see. And the Royal Champion is gonna take out this compartment, hopefully take care of that Fire Spitter. Okay, the Barbarian King gets activated soon anyway. I'm gonna activate the Archer Queen too. Do I rage them up here? I'm gonna rage them up, because there's a lot of value they can get here. Hey, I don't know, how's it looking? We do have the Town Hall. This might be my best attack of the day. How is this looking? How is this looking? This looks like a triple. Very nice. Very nice. I'm happy about that. This looks like a triple. And I can even what are you doing? Nice. Very nice. Very nice. So yeah, that was it for today. Very happy I got a triple there in the end. So as I said, I didn't get a triple today, but that was my first triple, so still happy with that. Other people would only get triples every day, probably perfectly, but I'm happy with that. This is a difficult army, and it's been a while since I used this army, and also I need to. I'm looking for. I had a lot of fun, like I said in my last video. I had a lot of fun with this as my main army. I've been trying a bit of like a few different armies in the last couple of days, Hydra and Throwers. But honestly, I would prefer if I actually found back to my main army, and that used to be Fireball Furnaces, so maybe I'll just get back to this, and then if I practice, I'll also become more consistent. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to see more content like this, and then I hope to see you soon.